Hey, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Puggy. In this episode, we're going to be making a Puggy soup. So, yeah, let's get straight into it. Hiya! Oh, jeez. First of all, you just need to get a bowl. Because this is made by Puggy Cool, I've got myself some bread here, which I'm going to plonk into this bowl. Maybe I just need a big bowl. Okay, so now I've got a bigger bowl. Yeah, it's kind of like a thing you put on the stove. When you get your bread, do not use this piece because we like all the softness, not all the crust, so that can get...
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
We have to use these pieces, so I'll just plonk them in there. So let's get the next ingredient. Hiya! Okay, so next you just have to get an orange, and then I don't have a juice maker, so I'm gonna need something to stab in there, you know. Okay, so I've now got myself an apron. I can't really hear. I now got myself an apron. Let's get stabbing. To be honest, I think I should have used a bowl. Okay, so all we have to do now is just get some rubber gloves and let's peel open this orange into our pot. So all you need to do is this. There we go. Now, all you need to do, put your unwanted orange bits into a bowl, like that, and you need to empty them into a bin. Okay, so this is what your meal should be like now. Okay, all you need to do now is get some butter and just kind of empty it out into the thing. So get a small knife, and then you have to empty the butter onto the bread orangey thing. There we go. Okay, so all you need to do now is get some really old toast. This is a couple days old, I've been saving it. So now you just need to put a couple pieces into your meal there. So what you need to do now, you need to get yourself a Milky Bar Mousse by Cadbury's and use a knife. Now this knife has already got some butter on, so let's just wash this. There we are. So we got a washed knife now. Carefully scoop out the mousse into the pot there. There we go. There. Okay, so now all you need to do is get a melon. Here we go. Here's a melon. So just put that in there. Oh no! I don't think that went to plan, did it? We need to put some sugar in our meal. So the melon is going to have to move now. So bye, Mr. Melon. Please excuse the whining. That's just Mole. She wants to be out and taste all the food. I feel sympathy for her because who wouldn't want to taste this lush food? There we go. Let's just put it in there. Now everybody loves a bit of chocolate, don't we? We just need to get some chocolate. Okay, so I found a really good knife because this knife already has marmalade on, so we can get some marmalade chocolate here. This is going to be lush. Right, so let's just chop this up. Another piece and the other piece. Right, so, chocolatey hands. So now it should be looking something like this. Okay, so with this meal, I'm going to live by my motto. The more bread, the merrier. So we already got some bread slices, some toast, but now we're going to add some breadsticks. So we're just going to shove them in there. There we go. Okay, so now for the flavour, we're going to have some Ribena here. Now, I felt this shouldn't go to waste because there's just a little bit in here. So we're going to pop this open and chuck it all down in there. So now you should be at the stage where it looks like this, delish. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to grind your food up. You need to mash it a bit. So I just got this hammer here. We're just gonna mash this.
A few moments later.
So now what you need to do, you need to go get your melon and shove it in there. There we go. So we're gonna mix it around. Mixing it around. chopsticks. There we are, our delicious dessert, ready to be eaten. Now what you need to do, you need to get a spoon and dig in. Okay, but there's one thing for sure. That meal was the best meal I've ever had. 10 out of 10 stars.